Special video on what Tom Lee has to say about the market situation. Hey there, Tom here from Fibonacci-Traders.com here. Like, subscribe, and let's listen to Tom Lee.
So, I want to share with you an urgent warning from Tom Lee, the guy who's been right about a lot of things over the past 18 months and has become a household name for being the biggest bull on Wall Street. As always, I'll give you the bottom line first, so you can leave if you're in a hurry or stay for the analysis. I value your time. It's been a rough week, with the market down 4% in the first 4 days of September, making it one of the fifth worst Septembers since 1928. I don't think there are any fundamental arguments for why stocks are down this much, but I think we've pulled forward seasonality. Historically, the September to November period is tough, and I wonder if markets are going risk-off early. I believe in the soft landing story, and I think the jobs added in August were better than July, which was a weak number that sparked hard landing fears. The number of industries adding jobs jumped to 53%, the best in 6 months, and the unemployment rate fell. I think we're at a point where the Fed could engineer a soft landing, which is why the next Fed meeting in 2 weeks is going to be important. The Nasdaq is down more than 5% this week, and the tech sector is off more than 7%. I think tech revealed its hand last week when Nvidia had a good number, but fell. When stocks fall on good news, it's either a crowded trade or something bad is coming. I think it's part of this pull-forward seasonality, and people want to de-risk, with tech being a big holding. Nvidia's PE is in the mid-20s, which is lower than it was at the bottom of previous drawdowns. To me, this looks like normal profit-taking, and maybe it takes Nvidia down to the 90s, but I think 2 years from now, that's going to be a gift. Tom Lee just came out with a warning that the next 8 weeks are going to be very challenging, very tough, and very volatile. A lot of investors are going to sell out because of fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and they'll miss out on what will be a greater high by the end of the year. He's saying that 2024 is heading into new highs and will finish very strong, even though the next couple of weeks will seem very tough. He's warning us not to be gaslit, not to be upset about the next 8 weeks, thinking this is the end of the world. He's saying that the next couple of weeks are going to be hard and tough, not because of fundamentally problematic issues with the economy and the stock market, but because of seasonality and psychology. He's also saying that the job market is not as bad as people initially thought, because unemployment numbers actually fell. He's saying that what's important is the language the Fed uses when they cut rates, because that's what will determine the short-term stuff. He's talking about Nvidia, saying that it may have been a crowded trade, but that doesn't mean it's a bad long-term investment. He's saying that Nvidia might drop even further, but in a few years, when Nvidia continues to dominate the AI infrastructure market, that 90 is going to seem like a present. He's actually calling a bottom, saying that the market is going to bottom at around 5,300.
Thank you very much for watching this special edition urgent video. I hope you found it helpful. If so, like, subscribe. Any comments, any feedback will be appreciated. Until the next video, stay safe.